Hi, my name is Eman. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing what's for dinner, planning for dinner, grocery hauls, as well as planning. And sometimes we might be doing a day in the life. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Tonight we're going out to CAVA. It's new to our area. It's a Mediterranean version of Chipotle. Let's go. Dylan ordered the pita with tzatziki sauce, grilled chicken, shredded romaine, tomato and onion. Cody ordered the pita with tzatziki sauce, half grilled chicken, half braised lamb, crumbled feta, shredded romaine, tomato and onion. Then I ordered a green bowl with saffron basmati rice, eggplant and red pepper dip, falafel, tomato and cucumber, shredded romaine, crumbled feta, pickled onions, yogurt dill dressing on the side. And then we also ordered a side of pita chips and hummus, and the boys each got a brownie. The food was absolutely delicious. Sorry, Chipotle, but it beats them by far.